Hello, creative. My name is Agumbiadi Blessing. I'm the creative director of Trans Bless Fashion World. So, I want to teach us how to use Pinterest app as a creative. So, what is Pinterest app? What's this app all about? Pinterest app is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like style inspiration, art, recipes, just name it, as a creative inspiration to spark inspiration. And this app was launched January 2010, so you can get more information on Google. Yeah, so this information I just gave you, it's courtesy Google. So now I want you to know that this app is totally free. There's no subscription of or whatsoever. You can get to use this app for free as a creative. Pinterest is for everybody. You get to have access to universal global content. So now let's dive in. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to download the app. For those of us that doesn't have the app, go to your app store or Google Play Store, whichever one you are using. So this is the app. This is what it looks like. Then you download it. So yeah, it is done downloading. So what we are going to do now is we are going to open the app. So we're going to go to our menu and open the app. Notification, no. So this is what it looks like. So the reason why mine is like this is because I've been using it before. So I actually tried to delete it and download it again if I'm going to have the main what do I call it, creating an account and all. But since I don't have that, anything you see on your own, such as the signing up, create an account and click on the things that interest you and just follow the process. So now I want to teach us how to use this search engine. Once you've created the account and you follow the process, you're going to have something like this page. Okay, so now I want to teach us how to use your search engine to search for styles, to search for ideas, to search for anything you can just think of. As long as it is on Pinterest, you are going to find it. You have access to universal and global content here on Pinterest. Okay, so now let's go. You're going to click on this search icon. You're going to have something like this. So you're going to click on this and you're going to type anything you want to search for. For example, I want to search for women blazer, women blazer outfit, search. So you're going to see different designs. Yeah, like you're going to see different designs, different designs of blazers. You're going to see different designs. So you can just keep scrolling. You're going to get a very nice design. Like it's going to be an inspiration if you want to create one. So as you can see, we have different blazer designs here. As you can see, look at this. Or let's say you want to search for what can we search for? You want to search for let me see. What can you search for? Okay, like alter neck top. Alter neck top. Search. You're going to see different designs too. You're going to see different designs too. You're going to see different designs too. Like so. Can you see these beautiful designs? So there's just a lot you can see on Pinterest. Or you want to search for okay, let's just, you want to search for sleeve pattern. This is an example of a sleeve pattern. You're going to see different types of sleeve. You're going to see a sleeve pattern like this, tender sleeve design. As long as you can think of a name or anything you want to search for, just type it on the search engine. It is going to bring it out for you. So let's okay, as other creative, let me just say, if you're a baker, you want to search for chocolate cake. I love chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Yeah, you search for it. You're going to see different types too. Can you see? Can you see? Or I think there's sponge cake too. Sponge cake. Okay, let's click on this sponge cake recipe. Look at this. That's the ingredients and all on it. So this is it. So anything you're searching for, you can find it here. So let's say you want to search for decoration, indoor decoration. You're going to find it too. Anything that interests you or is aligned to what you're searching for, you're going to find it. You're going to find it. So and you want to search for decoration for bridal shower. Probably your friend is having a bridal shower and you are thinking of an idea. You're going to see different ideas. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see different ideas that you can replicate? So what else can I think of? Probably art. Let me see. Just type art. Okay, art inspiration. You're going to see. Look at this. Very nice. If you like it, you can print it out. It's so nice. You're going to see different. Look at this sketch. Very nice. So you're going to see different designs of what you want. As long as you are creative, this app is just for you. So now I want to teach us how to yeah, I've taught us how to use the search engine to search for whatever we are looking for. So now I want to teach us how to use a particular picture to find other related pictures. For example, now your client sent you a picture or sent you a style that she wants, and it only has the front view. You are confused on what the back view looks like. So what you can do is that you can use Pinterest to like sort that issue. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go back to the main menu. So let's go back. So you're going to go back to the main menu and you're going to have this page. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on this camera icon here, like so, and you are going to pick the picture you want to use to search. So for example, okay, let me use this. Probably your client sent you an hoodie and you want to see different other designs. So you can see I use this picture from my gallery to search for other designs. Or if you want to use something else, search for something else, what you're going to do is that you're going to go to your gallery and and you pick, for example, this style. It's going to show you other related styles to it. As you can see, it's going to show you other related styles to it. So you can pick inspiration from any of the styles. Like, you can just pick inspiration. You can pick a sleeve from here. Like, okay, I love this sleeve. Okay, I love this upper part. Okay, I love okay, I love this lower part design. And you're just going to create something unique for your client. So you can also pick styles from here and send to your client, and make sure that you check it thoroughly and you understand the design. So what we are going to do, what I'm going to teach us now, is how to download a picture from Pinterest. You can either get a screenshot, make a screenshot, or download the picture. So for example, now I want to download this picture, right? So I'll click on this three dots icon. You're going to see download image downloaded. So after you've downloaded it, once you go to your gallery, you're going to see it there. This is it. Okay, so now let's go back to Pinterest. So once, and I want to teach us another thing, how to use a particular, like this design, to search for other related designs. You see this icon, wait, back, okay, you see this icon here, this search icon. You click on it and you're going to zoom it in to fit whatever you're searching for. So you're going to see other related designs too. Other related designs, you're going to see it. So that's another way to use a particular picture to search for other pictures. So you can see now I got another picture of that same style. You can see again another picture again that has that particular design. So that is that. So on Pinterest too, you can actually get to see videos. Yes, there are videos here too. Okay, I've seen one. So this is a video, a short video. This is a short video. So if you like the video, you can download it. Yes, you can also download a video from Pinterest. Probably, for example, you saw a style or you saw a video that you like and you want to save it, right? So you're just going to click on this save and create a board. I'll just add videos, Ankara videos, create. So you have it saved up there. So anytime you need it, you can just come on Pinterest and search for it. So for this video too, if you want to save it, you can still click on your Ankara videos and just save it there. So anytime you are ready to use the video, what you are going to do is that you're going to go on your profile, right? You're going to click on saved. Then you're going to see the pins you saved, like so. So this is the two video I just saved recently. So I also noticed that you can actually directly save some videos to your gallery. I think it depends on who uploaded it and the option they actually laid down for it. For example, look at this now. Look at this video, this short video. You can actually, okay, let's see. So you can see this download icon here. So this one, you can actually download it and it is going to save directly to your gallery. But not all videos are like that. Let me see this one. Let's check. Okay, you can also download this. Let me see this one. Okay, you can see this one now. We cannot download it to our gallery. So what you have to do in such situation is that you're going to save it. If you like the video and probably you want to still check it very well and get inspired, So you're going to save it on a board you created. Like since you created these Ankara videos, you can just save it there. So anytime you're ready, like the way I showed you, you go there and search for it. Well, thank you for watching. In this first video, this is the part 1. I've taught you how to use the search engine, how to use a picture to find another related picture, how to download the picture, how to download the video. So in the second part of the video, I'll be teaching you how to upload your pictures, your ideas on Pinterest. Yes, all what you see on Pinterest is there because someone uploaded it there. So you can also upload your pictures, your videos, or whatever it is you have to show to the world. You can also upload it on Pinterest. So watch out for the second video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Yeah, just share your comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you've learned. Thank you.